Meaning of furlough.
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 Furlough. Furlough is a temporary leave of absence, often granted to an employee for a specific period. During this time, the employee is not required to work or receive pay, but remains employed and retains some benefits, such as health insurance. Furloughs are typically used by companies as a cost-saving measure during economic downturns or unexpected events, such as a pandemic. The goal is to avoid laying off employees altogether while still reducing payroll expenses. Furloughs can be voluntary or mandatory and may have different terms and conditions depending on the employer and the circumstances.